In this problem, as part of their weather unit, Anoki's science class took a hot air balloon ride. As they passed over a fenced field, the angle of depression of the closer side of the fence was 32 degrees, and the angle of depression of the farther side of the fence was 27 degrees. If the height of the balloon was 800 feet, estimate the width of the field. Please stop the video now, come up with an answer, and when you're done, come on back. So, looks like in this problem, I have to break this stuff down into angles I can understand. So let me see. Let's take the obvious one first. So there's 32. So if from here to here is going to get me 32, then from here to here, this angle is going to get me, I think, a 58. So I'm just going to jot that down over here for a second. 58 degrees. So in other words, I have a triangle, and I have a right angle because the balloon's directly above this point right here. This length right here is 800. I have a 58-degree angle right in here, and I think that's all I need. The idea is, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get this length, then I'm going to try and get this length, and then I'm going to try to subtract them to see if I can figure out this length in here. Okay, so I think I'm about to get this length right here. So I'm just going to call this X right now. Okay, so let's see. Remembering my trig pretty well, I'm going to go, I need the tangent of 58 degrees, and that's going to be equal to opposite, which is X, over adjacent, which is 800. Remember, I could use the other trig formulas if I want to. I could figure out this length right here, but it's not like in the problem they said they're sending a wire down from the balloon down to the field, or I need this angle, which would be easy enough. They just didn't ask for anything else. They just want this. So I could use the other trig formulas to figure stuff out, but I just don't need those other parts of the triangle. I'm going to cross multiply, look up the tangent of 58, times it by 100, and I believe X in this case here is going to get me 1,280.26-ish. 67, I think. Alright, let's do the other one. Now I have another triangle, and I'm going to mess my drawing up pretty good because we got through this. Let's see, there we go, let's try this. So if that's 32, if this is 27 from here to here, then that's the same angle here. That's 27. So in other words, from this side to this side, that's going to get me the rest of that 90-degree angle, or 63. So let's see if I can draw that. So I got another right triangle here, and that's going to be a right angle there. This angle inside here is going to be 63. This height of the balloon is still 800, and I'm going to look for, I guess I'll call it Y this time, I'm going to look for that length, which is my longer length here, and I'm hoping I'll be able to get this and then subtract the two of them. So again, it's the same setup. Tangent 63 degrees is going to be equal to Y over opposite of 63, opposite over adjacent, which is going to get me 800. I'm going to put that over 1. I'm going to cross multiply, and I get a length of Y equals 1,570.088. And again, neither one of those answers are the number I'm looking for. If the long length is 1,570.088 and the shorter length is 1,280.267, Then I'm going to subtract those two, and I'm going to get my answer, which in this case is going to be 289.8